Today we're showing our Lisa product here at InfoComm. What's really exciting about this is it's bringing in the next wave of durability into the marketplace. So this features all of the great things you expect from SiliconCore in terms of image quality. It has the ZAC HDR driver chip. We can go to 1500 nits all the way down to 0.015, which allows for very wide and high dynamic range. It also has the common cathode technology, which allows us to get to the brightness ranges. In the Lisa 1.9, we're up to 1500 nits, the brightest in the industry. All Lisa displays have the capability to show 10-bit content in 4K screens. As fine pixel pitch displays get smaller and smaller and tighter, we're able to incorporate this special molding technique on top. And the molding that we're putting on top of it will allow people to touch it and feel it. All of that's incorporated into our Lisa display, providing that great durability and protecting your investment for the long term.